Hello everyone, this is Palermo. Behind me, the beautiful cathedral, an incredible highlight in the guided walking tour of Palermo. As owners of a tour company based in Sicily, we can offer you a couple of great opportunities to visit Sicily with us. We can put together your custom private tour of Sicily according to your needs. It will be available all year round. We can accommodate several group sites, couples, groups of friends, families. Or you can join one of our group tours. It's named Sicily Lovers Tours. It takes place 3 times per year. We have some available spots in the 2026 edition in April and May. September 2026 is sold out, and we still have 2 spots available in the September 2025 edition. It's a group tour, it's reserved to around 20 people, and like the custom private tours, it's optimized to maximize your leisure time and minimize your driving time. Feel free to contact us at info@bestthingstodoinsicily.com. Love, hugs, and kisses from Sicily. Ciao!
Goodbye!